Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more haircut transformations. So looks like someone is doing a DIY haircut here. Oh, okay, so I guess that explains why the chop was so choppy. She decided to shave all her hair off. Love it, and as you guys know, this is a huge trend right now, so it's very inspiring to see. Next up, looks like we have a big chop transformation. Whoa, those are some huge scissors. Oh, that color. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Oh, looks like someone's adding some red to do the money piece highlight trend. Very cute. Then we have someone with blue hair. So she's got like blue at the root and then blonde towards the ends. Oh, she just dyed it blonde. Okay, so now she's going in with more color. Blue, green. So basically rainbow. Oh, she did split dye. That was really cute. So we have another DIY haircut here. And she's also shaving it all. So she said she's always had short hair, but okay, so she cut it into like a shorter bob. So here we have someone doing another big chop. Looks like she's giving herself a bob haircut. Oh, she dyed her hair blue. Oh, she did the undercolor trend. That's pretty. Oh, DIY bangs gone wrong. Let's see if she can fix it. Oh, they came out pretty good, actually. So she's trying to cut bangs, but she didn't actually cut her hair too long. I mean, too short, so not that bad. Oh, she's going shorter though. Ooh. Well, they don't look bad. I think she did a pretty decent job with that. So let me know what you guys thought about these hair transformations in the comments below. Which one was your favorite? And of course, if you want to see more hot hair ideas, be sure to check out this video next.